Alright, so in today's video what we're going to do is go through and basically Zach is coming out and we're going to get everything that needs to go in the car, electrical wise and whatnot, in, so that whenever we go to drop the motor in, it's pretty much done. We're going to do all the cutting and trimming and a little bit of minor welding, and that's what this part's going to go over. I'm hoping to have this entire build for the most part done within 4 or 5 episodes at the max. Coming up after this one will be fuel tank and plumbing and stuff like that, and possibly even driving it a little if we can source the Supra parts in time. So here we go. Today I learned that because I had a budget for my truck, well, if you don't have money, you don't have a budget.
No money, no budget. Can't complain about it.
Yeah, so the free truck is an unlimited budget. It's basically a Veyron. But it's technically it's a Veyron. If you think about it, there's no budget.
I'd rather Pagani.
Yeah,
but
yeah, same thing. This is Zondar.
Fanboy.
Fan. So we went through, and in this video you'll see what all we did. Basically finished modifying the firewall. We need to seam seal it. We're getting the HVAC back put in. We went through and got the electrical system ran through the firewall in its final place. We started by getting the fans. They need to come up, and I'm debating on either using the donor Celica front radiator support or just building some tabs. I think I'll just build some tabs. But almost everything is where it needs to be. We removed the motor mount. I need to grind that out. I removed the steering rack, the steering linkages to install the Supra stuff. So next videos should be motor in and possibly maybe running a little. Maybe. So a little. Very much a little. So yeah, that's where we are today. Little? back to my money is no object when there is no money. So when there is no money for a budget, there you can spend whatever you want because you ain't got it. So you can't spend what you ain't got. Hold my beer. Zach's on the phone with his girlfriend getting chewed out about why she's not engaged. And my argument...
No, she's not chewing me out. Her grandma wants us married. Her grandma went on a speech.
You guys can get married. You guys can get married. Money is no object when you have no money.
You cannot use that against me. We were talking about your headlights. Yeah. That's it.
Because I'm going to use the Ricer LED eBay headlights.
No, you have to retrofit and do it the right way.
I ain't retrofitting shit. And he's going to get married with a fucking bubblegum machine ring here soon, I feel like.